Hello and welcome to the review video of the LinksUp 80 Solar Asset Tracker. LinksUp is a provider of tracking solutions for fleet, personal, vehicle, boats, equipment and assets and ELD solutions since 2004. The 80 Solar Asset GPS Tracker is an unpowered asset tracker by LinksUp that features self-charging solar-powered batteries. The device captures location data throughout the United States and some parts of Mexico and Canada. It also works in US territories like Puerto Rico. The tracker is priced at $199.99. However, LinksUp offers significant discounts of $50 to $100 on purchase. Pricing plans for device varies according to add-ons selected and other factors. For example, the device costs $199.99 per solar tracker on no contract basis or $139.99 per tracker on a 3-year contract. Monthly fee of $14.99 is inclusive of data, portal, customer support, system updates, firmware, software, mobile app access, and everything required for operation. LinksUp offers integration with existing software solutions for an additional cost of $7 per month. The device supports communication on 4G network and has a built-in cellular SIM card. The service is included in the monthly LinksUp fee. We would be rating the pricing of this device score of C. The 80 Solar Asset Tracker is a custom designed for non-powered asset tracking. It is ruggedized to last the rigors of trucking stresses. It has a rating of IP67 which makes it weatherproof. It can be deployed in marine or desert environments and has an operating temperature ranging from minus 30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. The device also has multiple input and output ports and supports temperature monitoring. It is the only device from LinksUp that supports this feature. The tracking is accurate to within 5 meters or 16 feet of the tracked vehicle. We will be rating the design of this device score of B-. The asset tracker is fairly easy to install. The optional high-powered magnets or screws help in easily attaching the device to the trailer. Wired trackers can also be installed with a 3-wire connection. Hence, we will be rating the installation process of this device score of C. The 80 Solar does not supply deployment on Windows or iOS operating systems. Instead, it offers a cloud-based dashboard for tracking along with apps that are supported over both iOS and Android platforms. We will be rating this feature score of B. As the name suggests, 80 Solar Asset GPS Tracker is self-charging. It is an unpowered asset tracker and has a solar-powered battery. The batteries in this device lasts up to 10 years. We would be rating the battery on this device score of C. The LinksUp Solar Tracker is one of the first tracking solutions for non-powered equipment such as trailers that provides reefer control. It provides custom configured trigger alerts for variety of events and thresholds and API integration for existing data management systems. It helps in ensuring food and other product safety with shipment temperature monitoring. The device features multiple input and output ports that facilitate in using IoT sensors. The real-time cold chain management feature helps in significantly reduced replacement costs for spoiled goods. It provides customers with data-driven assurance of product safety. We would be rating this feature a score of B. Geofence is a feature that allows a user to build a virtual fence in a geographical area. Whenever a vehicle or person enters or leaves the set boundaries, an alert is issued. In such instances, the fleet manager will receive an alert on the mobile app. The instance can also be tracked on the web-based dashboard and can be seen in the alert summary. We would be rating the geofence on this device score of B+. The data captured by the asset tracker is turned into valuable insights that help the fleet manager in improving fleet management. The alerts can be customized along with the recipients for different vehicles and group. Unique alert settings for different users can also be chosen. The user can choose to get notifications in real time or choose daily or hourly summaries. One can also choose to turn off these alerts completely. The alerts issued can be filtered by date range, alert time, group, vehicle, and driver information. The fleet manager has an option to set immediate notifications for time-sensitive alerts like device tampering or save less urgent information to review in a daily summary. By default, Fleet Manager can get reports once every 3 hours when stationary and once in every 10 minutes when in motion. Along with tracking alerts, the device also provides alerts for incidences like tamper, rapid acceleration, or hard braking. It uses algorithm derived from change in velocity and determines events like acceleration or deceleration. We would be rating the cloud software score of B+. Some alerts can also be received in real time on the LinksUp mobile app. This include detailed alert information for individual drivers or group of drivers, daily, weekly, and monthly alert summaries, category-based alert, speed, harsh braking, or geofence alerts. In addition to reducing email and text clutter, using mobile app facilitates in connecting to any other LinksUp data easily from the notifications. Hence, we will be rating the app score of B+. LinksUp offers a web-based portal for tracking assets. Multiple assets can be logged onto the portal and multiple vehicles can be tracked simultaneously on the map. The breadcrumb trail helps the fleet manager to plan a better route for trips to the same location. Along with real-time tracking, the fleet manager can also get insight into driver behavior. Fleet Activity Dashboard gives a bird's eye view of fleet's performance and helps in recognizing areas of improvement. We will be rating the LinksUp's web-based dashboard score of B-. The location tracking data captured by the device can be accessed on the web-based portal along with apps on Android and iOS smartphones. The captured data is retained for 1 year. Selective summary data, like dashboards and reports, are retained for 3 years. Data up to 5 years old can be retrieved from cold storage for a fee. We will be rating the memory on this device a score of C. Let's have a look at the pros of this device. It is fairly easy to install. A user can begin tracking within 30 minutes. It has transparent pricing plans with no hidden costs. It is suitable for assets of various size and for fleets with limited or expansive area of operation. The device features multiple input and output ports. It also facilitates reefer control. It offers extended area of operation beyond United States. The solar-powered batteries in this device have a long life that lasts up to 10 years. It offers companion apps for both iOS and Windows platforms. Captured data can be retained for 3 years. The device offers still and idle time location and also the flexibility of variable alert intervals. Here are some of the cons that we found in this device. First being no battery backup. If the solar powered battery malfunctions, the lack of wired power source makes the device unusable. Second, pulling out of a contract has a high cancellation fee. It will cost a user $250 for canceling 1 year contract and $350 to cancel a 2 year contract. Here are our final thoughts on the LinksUp 80 Solar Asset GPS tracker. The tracker is quite satisfactory with the feature it provides. Solar-powered batteries are a step towards cleaner power source. However, the absence of a wired power source for backup limits the reliability of this tracker. The pricing plan for the trackers are transparent. However, the contract termination fee is very high. In fact, it supersedes the total cost of the device. It is advisable for users to take this factor into account before committing to the subscription plan. Taking all of these factors into consideration, we would be rating this device an overall score of B-.